Hello everybody, my name is Abhineet Dhara and today I am back with another experiment. So the name of this experiment is ink chromatography. Now I know the name sounds a little complicated, but this experiment is very simple. Now this experiment is used by the forensic team to determine many crimes. Now this has a very useful purpose in our humankind. I'll just make you go through what materials you need to perform this experiment. Alright, so I have a tissue paper, or you can even use a filter paper or a normal paper towel or even normal paper, and in this tissue paper you can see that there are different kinds of ink. Alright, there are three inks and there is one separate ink. Now these three inks are our control. These three inks are our control, and this is the ink which is found at the crime site. Alright, so now to determine that what pen or what ink is used for anything that has happened in the crime site, we will dip this into a solution of normal water. Nothing complicated, just water. So now I'll dip this, and after 10 minutes we will get to see the results. Alright, as you can see, it has been completely submerged in this liquid, and after 10 minutes we will see what the results is. Alright, 10 minutes have passed, and now let's have a look at the results. Alright, as soon as I take this out, you can see how the ink of different control and our crime scene has spread out so much. I'm going to keep this glass aside and I'm going to put it on my paper towel. Alright, now time for the investigation. So this was our first control, this was a second control, this was a third control, and this was the ink that was found in the crime scene. Now can you guys see and tell what ink has been found at the crime scene? So if you guys can see, I'm just gonna turn this around. Yes. So this is the ink that had been found in the crime scene. Now this was our first control. If we see the colors, we can simply tell that this was not the pen that was used to write in the crime scene. Now let's come at the second one. Now this one, as we see, starts off with that black, but it doesn't have this brown ending at the top. So this means that the second control is also not the pen or the ink which was used. But if we see the third control, which is here, this ink is very similar to this ink because it is started with black, it has this brownish, and then at the top it has a yellowish ending. So our third one is the ink which has been used, which mostly had been used at the crime scene. So this is how ink chromatography is used in forensic science. I hope you liked it.